I'm new. I don't know what to do. So welcome back. It's been a while since I streamed, but I have many reasons to stop. But as I had many reasons to leave, I had more to return. So first things first is I guess I let the troll win because that's the last time you guys saw me. So things were just too much for me here. And every time I streamed, it felt like I don't know why I was here. With the tech problems, the lack of motivation, my mental health, I just thought leaving would be a better option. So I went 100% on my YouTube channel. And I even created another. Anyway, I have 2 YouTube channels. You should go check them out. But Peace Plays, I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm just going to focus on Peace Warrior Studio, which has changed its name 3 times. Had the rebranding done 3 times. I will eventually make up my mind. But I think I've just decided that I am the main character from now on. I changed my style too much. Emotes and branding items. So I think I want to just use my face again. Anyway, my mental health declined. After I left, I only paid attention to everything YouTube. I ghosted everything on Twitch. I deleted it off my computer. I deleted it off my phone. So if you didn't see me, that was why. I convinced myself that I was never going back, and I was fine with that for a while. But I began to realize that YouTube was harder and more work than Twitch ever dared to be. And this is my opinion. I'm sure you have your own. But not only did I have to take the time to plan the content, but I also had to make the content. It was no longer just sit, record a few hours, do some light editing, and then upload. It was draining the life out of me. My mental health was declining daily. Fear was getting calls. Not to mention, it felt as if when people couldn't see my face anymore, I pretty much stopped existing online. So I changed my approach to coming back or staying away several times. But this time, I think I just wanted to come back. I just hadn't realized it yet. I asked ChatGPT out of the blue, should I go back to Twitch? And he gave me 5 good reasons to go back to Twitch. So I got super excited. And then Professor goes, pop! Now I asked you why you shouldn't. So it gave me 10 reasons why I should not go back to Twitch. But I still wanted to go back to Twitch. What was wrong with me? I was so confused, I began to think, when was I the happiest? That was when I was on Twitch. So here I am, back, even more anxious than ever, even more energy than ever. But I will overcome this. So here I am, back again, hopefully forever, but we shall see. I'm glad you guys joined me today. I want to do, well, every time I stream. I don't know when that'll be yet. I don't know if I'm doing just Wednesdays. I don't know if I'm doing once a month. I don't know if I'm doing it once a year. But I want to do a question of the day and a poll of this or that before we play every stream. So today we're going to play Sims 4. I got a expansion pack of Get Famous. Looky here. So I opened a 4th wall. I wanted something different than when I had been putting on my other merch. And I know people don't want to wear my face. Something that symbolized what I was trying to get at here with my picture of the lion and the girl. It's like politely saying I have a big stick, okay? Don't mess with me. So I came up with the lion and I already had the warrior made. So I just stuck them together. I think it looks pretty cool. But I made this one first. I made this entire collection in one day. It was pretty easy. Well, I love it. So we have my hello. I do like the 4th wall. So I created a card.co account. I even paid for my year. And then I found 4th wall and I like 4th wall better. So I canceled. So hey everyone, I started my YouTube channel with the goal of improving not only the lives of myself, but also the lives of others. The life of myself. I said lives. I dream of seeing more people out there living their dreams. It brings me so much joy and motivation to know that there are kind-hearted people around the world who believe in my work. If you are working on yourself, I am proud of you. I want to connect to you at a deeper level through 4th wall. I keep losing my spot, so I have to hold my hand up. And create a safe space for the challenging yet rewarding journey of self-improvement, alongside members of the community who are also here for the same reason. Your support enables me to continue dedicating myself to creating high-quality self-improvement videos. Here, I will show not only early access, ad-free videos, but also additional content and updates on all my upcoming plans, such as organized Notion notes and my private thoughts beyond what I choose to share on my public platform. Additionally, receive exclusive access to the most positive and uplifting community on Discord, a safe space for you to share, heal, and grow. The tiers on Fourth Wall correspond to the level of benefits you can access when benefits and access you can receive in the community. So the helper tier is what we have here. There are 4 tiers. There is the helper, the guardian, the partner, and the manager. So the helper tier is for those who want to say a gentle thank you, see early access to videos, and join the Discord if they're not already in there. The next tier is the guardian, a first-class ticket to Peaceland. Gain access to exclusive content from me on Fourth Wall, including organized notes and journals, a special Discord role. Tell me what videos you want me to make next. The partner tier, you get all the above, guaranteed responses to all messages on Fourth Wall, YouTube, and Twitch, and a thank you shout out at the end of my videos. Last but not least, we have the manager tier. You don't really become my manager. I am not having a manager. Like, that's never happening again. I learned my lesson the first time. But you get every perk listed on my Fourth Wall, and first in line for all giveaways, drawings, now and in the future. You also get your own personalized, customized piece of merch. Of course, you have to buy it. I'll just make it. And of course, I am honored to receive your support. Whether you choose to join the Warrior family or not, I want you to know that I am grateful for you and that I couldn't share my knowledge and my journey without your support. So there you go. There's also, you link it to your Twitch, so it is not $5 per month, it is $4.75 for subs. The $10 is now $9. The $25 is $21.25, and the boss is $40. I do like that it also puts your, I think these, what is this? I don't remember if this is YouTube or Twitch. And then there's also a donation page. It is pretty cool that they handle your contacts and terms of service, questions, all these things about me. Tells you all about Peace Warrior. So the question of the day was, what's one small self-care activity that makes a big difference in your mental health? I will listen to music, go off by myself, take a walk, or call a friend. Hi, Feast. Long time no chat. Hi, Direct. How are you, sir? Hungry, about to jump into work meeting momentarily. You can't eat before? Like, eat something real quick? What if you get hangry at the meeting? Then there'll be violence. I hope you have a great meeting. I ate a steak and a burger before I sat down. In 30 seconds. Oh, then shh. Have a great meeting, sir. Is it online or do you gotta like go there? Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys Notion too. Meetings galore. Direct just went in and you came out. Which one's Batman? No one will ever know. Oh damn. I did so I prepared my stream deck for being solely for YouTube. So I put a record, a pause, switch scenes and all that, just like I was streaming, but just for YouTube. As for why I've never streamed on YouTube, it's because I'm terrified. I don't know why, but I see YouTube as like superior, and I'm like not good enough to stream there yet. I gotta get better before I go there. But I've seen people stream there and have not good luck, so I just, my hopes are not high there. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, Stream Deck. I changed the buttons on the Stream Deck, and then I had to change the Stream Deck back to Twitch. So if I push the wrong button, I apologize. I'm new. I don't know what to do. I have to say, I am happy to be back. I missed you guys. It was lonely in the darkness, though I do like the darkness. So I changed my name because I didn't see myself as any... I no longer saw myself... Words are hard. I no longer saw myself as a peaceful person. So I just always call myself Peace Warrior. So I thought, okay, I'm coming back as Peace Warrior. Well, that name is not available. So I just started typing in numbers, and I'm like, I don't really know a number that wouldn't be like relevant to where I'm at or a birthday. So I was like, wait, 187 stands for murder. Peace Warrior, the murderer. That's just perfect. So here we are. But I didn't put 187 on here. I put the studio because this is where it's going to YouTube. Oops, an error has occurred. If you continue playing the game, it may behave unpredictably. You say that to me every time I play it. Doesn't look like I care. I have a lot of mods on my Sims, so it has last exception script errors all the time. I don't worry about it. It wants me to tear out the mods and see which one's the bad one. I don't have time. So, to get famous, you actually get to buy podcasting gear, an entire streaming setup here. I actually have 2 setups here because I use cheats and I get what I want. But this is the house. It's beautiful. Do a camera here. Okay, so this is the outside of the house. Pretty sweet, huh? It's not glitchy, it's the way I'm moving my mouse. It's just fast. If you go into the free camera, you can move it. It makes better movies, but it makes it a little glitchy. The upper story is where we stream. This is like the giant office I made. Her bedroom. And then downstairs. I downloaded this off of the gallery. They have beautiful houses on the gallery. The original is by Cocoa Puff. Cocoa Puff 4. So if you like this house, there you go. Go download it. Okay. The kitchen is beautiful. I don't know why she has 2 stoves, but I thought it was pretty freaking cool. We have a garage. Pretty nice backyard. Don't really care for the swimming pool. You know, since we don't really ever go outside. We're always, doing stream things or editing because it's the editor's life. Right now, I think she's doing a beauty tips. Makeup. So I've been doing recordings of Get Ready With Me, something I thought I would never do. So one of the things that they said to do to get comfortable in front of a camera is record yourself at all times, even when you're uncomfortable. Man, I'm always uncomfortable. So what does that mean? So Peace is trying to be a world famous celebrity, and this is her podcast equipment. We are making a beauty tips video right now. The video description is going to be, check out these amazing tips. Okay, so we did that, and now we have to, we need to edit the video. Good luck, girl. I hope you don't mess anything up, because when I mess things up on my video editing, I throw it in the trash and start over. You got yourself a filter coffee machine for $5? Nice. Tell me it has a basket in it and you're not using the bleached cups that go in it. You're just smarter than that, because I wasn't smarter than that years ago. Yeah, it has a basket. Nice. So now they're coming up saying that, oh, we didn't know it, but those bleached coffee filters that you guys have been using in your coffee is now killing you. We're so sorry. So we got to complete any task or aspiration, complete a want. I wish you go away. I don't want you there. The lifetime aspiration's not a focus right now. Right now, Bridget is trying to become famous. Her name is Bridget. I didn't rename her. So she's editing this video. Freelance programmer. We need to quit our job. I thought we quit our job already. Change freelance trade. Girl, get off there. You're not even going to get paid. It's not your job right now. You're just a freelance programmer. Quickly. Okay, the video has been edited and can't be edited anymore. I don't want to be an electrified artist or fight words as a freelance writer. Let's just quit. Quit the job. I saw an ad on Craigslist, and I think we could go be podcasters. She ain't becoming famous. She's a sim. She's trying. I'm a sim. You're an NPC. Are you sure Bridget would like to quit her job? Yeah, they ain't paying. They ain't paying that much right now. So we're gonna try to join a career now. My voice is going out. What's wrong? So we do not want to be an actress. That's one of the add-ons on the Get Famous. Also is the podcast host. And heck yes, we are going to be the best podcast host in the history of podcasts. So now Bridget is a podcast host at the Podcast Academy. She starts Monday at 10 a.m. Work assignment is record an episode. Should Bridget get a jump start and accept the assignment? Oh, heck yeah. I like to be ahead, not behind. I am the head, not the tail. Okay, so we got work in 14 hours. We make $80 an hour. Yo, oh my God.
Hold up.
$80 an hour. You can pay me that. Okay, so work requirements is we need to reach global starship status, perform any various interactions that will cause a sim to become more famous. Max media production skills, you know I already did that. Charisma, record an episode. We need to record 3 episodes. Use Video Station and wait until you're in an emotional mood. I'm always in an emotional mood. What do you mean? Then you will select the option to record an emotional vlog. Okay. Alrighty then. Work from home assignment. I will not work anywhere else. Okay, so we are going to study the trends. Okay, so we just studied the trends. And now, let's see, following is now trending. Photography, programming, beauty tips, flirty vlog. These same topics could be trending for another couple of days. So now we need to video inventory. Okay, we were not done editing that video. Editing is done, but we didn't add the effects or add transitions. So add transitions. There we go. Speed it up. Let me see you work as fast as possible. $80 an hour. Girl, what does that say? Effects have been added successfully. Lens flare, sparkles, and explosions are part of it. Okay. Wipe screen transition, make the video that much more professional. Transitions have been successfully added. Right on. Now what? Do we need to rename it? Yes, we do, because it needs to be catching, okay? Now that's eye-catching. It's like a dare. So now we've done the video. Okay, we need to upload it and then claim the fame. Okay. The video has been uploaded. Expect daily royalty payments for how many views it gets. Okay, did I turn her, I think I turned her willpower off. She can't get up and do anything unless I tell her to. I have controlling issues. I like Sims better than people because I can control them. I actually have that button here somewhere. Let me find it.
Hold up.
I've got channel points for days. Dance, monkey, dance!
Oh my God!
Where is it? Hello? It's not there.
When a problem comes along, you must zip it. Dip it good.
Okay, back to what was she supposed to be doing? Okay, she's inspired. That means we can do an inspired vlog. Almost done. Bear with me. Okay, so this is an inspiring vlog, not blog. Let's see. Video inventory. We need to add effects, add transitions, get confused here, edit the video, and then upload the video. Oh, and we also didn't, we forgot to respond to comments, man. So our last video was uploaded. Are you editing with your mind? Are you moving that mouse with your brain? Yo. Okay, we gained a little bit of fame, right? Reach goal, superstar. Nope. Recorded episode. We've done 2 episodes. We gotta do 1 more. I didn't adjust the lights either. So the most recent video that Bridget recorded is Catching Waves and has been nominated for an award. Oh my God. So check out the next award ceremony Sunday at 7 p.m. to see if I won. Sunday. So I have to check out the Starlight accolades. Is it, where is it at? Is it here? Is it there? Is it in town? And then Friday is a talent showcase. Saturday is a talent showcase. Do we have to do that as podcasters? I thought we stayed at home as podcasters. Okay, so study trends. We can do a cheerful vlog. Product review. Let's do a product review. Record product review. Gadgets. So I've been using that little rig, but this thingy right here, this is not an ad, but I want to show it to you. So this thing right here is freaking awesome. This is called a small rig, but it came in this really cool case. I actually did a YouTube video for it, but then I deleted it because, you know, I got imposter syndrome so bad. I just don't even know why I do this sometimes. But this is the tripod. It actually turns into a selfie stick. I think I put the picture of it and the link to it in my Discord. If you ever do decide to get one, please use my links. This is small rig. You put your cell phone in here. You can shoot them this way. This is the light. This is the microphone that goes on the side of it. So let me hook this up for you. Man, I carry this thing around. This is how I've been putting on my makeup. So you put your phone. There's this clamp right here. So you put your phone in here, like this. This is the mic cord. And all of this came together. Thank you, Sherlock. Thank you. Thank you for being here, dude. I'm showing off my camera rig. You plug in the microphone right here. This is a power pack. It came separately. I got the Anchor, but this plugs into the bottom of your phone. It fully charges your phone while you record. The microphone works from your phone. There you are, guys. All of this came together. I think the whole entire setup was like $169. Hold on. Da-na-na-na-na, Inspector Gadget. Da-na-na-na-na. This is the tripod. It's freaking awesome, man. You can hang a camera from the bottom of it. You can make it taller than you are. Totally not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, holla. Like if you want to hang it off the side of a mountain, you can hang it off the side of a mountain. And then I got this backpack. You gonna snipe someone with that? Uh-huh. This is my tech bag that I got to go on adventures. So that thing I was just showing you came in this. This is the case. And all of that stuff was in here. This is the mic cover. My little dude told me I couldn't actually be a podcaster until I officially put this on. But I put it on it and it sounded like trash. So I took it off. It came with things for an iPhone, all kinds of tools, another cord, the thing to hook it to your computer, the instructions. All of that was in this case. I just want to show you guys my gadgets. Is that bag cabin size? Yep. So I did a review, like faceless video. I hung my camera to where you could only see my desk. And then I think I put it in the trash. I don't know. It holds a laptop. It holds my laptop. It holds that rig set. It holds the box. It holds...
Tell me why you bullying me. Bully me. Tell me why you bullying me.
It holds everything.
Tell me why you bullying me.
I wanted to use it on...
Bully me.
I wanted to use it on weekend trips so we could go just get out of the house, but I could actually use the content. But either it was storming, raining, too hot, or I just didn't want to go. But I have been recording with it around the house. Dear. I just had to have a tech moment. Had to show you guys my tech. You want on a Go Kit to be able to roll and stream at the same time? You need one. I have so many things that I could show you that you could actually get and do that, dude. You live in one of the prettiest, well, America would say, some of the people in America would say, you live in a very pretty place. You could get a lot of views just going around town showing things off. If you wanted to go out in public, though. You love Sim 4? You have most of the DLCs. I have more on the Xbox than I do on the PC. So people can see how horrific it is to travel in a wheelchair. Yeah, and then maybe it'll reach the right ears and they'll be like embarrassed. So then they'll be obligated to fix things around there, you know? That might be a good idea. If I wasn't so shy, I would video while I'm out. I would love to have a head cam because I'm such an enigma. I want to be noticed, but don't look at me. Look at me, don't look at me. So I don't want to be seen walking around with this. Hi, guys. Because that just draws attention. I would rather do it privately in my own home to where no one can see me or judge me. I'm shy like that. So my sim is becoming a podcaster. Like me in real life. She is currently doing a gadget review, which brought me to my gadget review. It's why I brought out my tech equipment. So we're reviewing some gadgets. I haven't seen the gadget that she's actually reviewing. Oh, yeah, I didn't mean to do that. It's been a minute since I've played Sims because I was actually making Sim stories. I made like 3 stories. Okay, so I made like a podcast and I was going to interview everyone in my community, which I've already interviewed 6 or 7 of them. One of them I still got to do, and 2 outside of the community. But I created her, and she was going to interview all of them together. But it was freaking chaos, and the Sims wouldn't do what I told them. So I killed them all. They're all dead. I will create them one by one. We will sit and talk to that person one by one. Ugh. I guess she was reviewing that little gadget that is sitting on the table there. View the inventory. Okay, so we need to add effects. We're getting this job done. We just got the job today, and we work in like 14 hours. So no. We're working 2 hours, so we got to get done. Video inventory, add effects, add transitions, edit video. Actually, you would edit the video, then add the effects, then add the transitions, then add the captions, and yada, 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 yada. The following is now trending. See, that's one thing I don't like. I don't like trends. I can't stick with trends. I really don't care what Scooby-Doo is doing over here today, okay? I can't keep up with trends. I don't want my YouTube to be about, oh my God, I got to jump on the next trend so I can go viral. I want my podcast or my channel to be about things that I actually care about and can talk about every single day and not get tired of. But I did notice that when I took myself out of my videos, my views went down. Why do people like seeing people? I have watched so many other YouTubers succeed and never show their faces. All right, we got to go to work. Cut it, quit it. Gotta go to work. Negotiate a bonus. Work in 48 minutes, okay. You know, that's what most of them do. They see a viral one, hop on, make it a big deal, and then struggle with people copyright striking them. I know. Yeah, or they complain when someone else is copying them, when all of you just jumped on the same freaking trend. So I have that vidIQ, and it tells you what's like trending or video ideas. So it's like every day another freaking idea, and I'm like, yo, I haven't even caught up to the first video. Remember that one that you just told me to do yesterday? Calm down. I'm not a content machine, but I am learning strategies to take one form of content and repeat it in other ways. Like this stream will be repurposed. I already have it marked in my Notion to repurpose this as a YouTube video and probably some shorts if I'm funny. I mean, I find myself funny all the time. You might not. Bridget brought home 640 simoleons today. She did great work too. I didn't see our performance go up. So what are your favorite things to do in Sims if you do play Sims? Firo doesn't play Sims. He's just a member of Sims randomly. You love the part-time jobs on Sims? What's your favorite? I was the scientist once, and I liked going to work with her. She was going to be my mad scientist, so I was going to keep people in the basement and do experiments on them. Still might do that. It's a good idea. I like to study humans and their odd behavior. It's pretty much what my podcast is studying humans. You like the diving career? I have that one. I think it's on the PlayStation or the Xbox. I have more DLCs on those. On here, I only have, I think, cats and dogs. Dang it, Bridget, where are you going? You know you can't be sitting there playing on the computer. We're supposed to be doing our work. We have one more episode to record. An emotional vlog. Well, I think flirty is an emotion. So let's go record a vlog. A love advice. Sure. We get paid $80 an hour and she would just rather sit there and scroll. Okay. I did like being a mermaid, but I didn't like being a mermaid because I had to be so close to the water all the time. I have started the Always on the Move Discovery Quest, where you'll learn how to travel and meet new Sims around the world. Complete. I don't want to leave home. No. That's the challenge. No leaving home. Complete a want. What do we want? We want to become inspired from being creative. And we want to listen to blues music, but I don't think we have a stereo in the house. Could be a problem. What is this? Visual effects. What? There must be a special effects machine nearby to be controlled. I didn't know that there was a special effects machine. Where's that? Let me find out. On the way. Plum Bob picture home special effects machine. Okay. I don't know what it does, but I got it. Let's do more choices. Let's do sparkles. We're gonna throw sparkles after this. And then we need to go make food. Flirty vlog is done. Go downstairs. Have dinner. Let's have... Where's the steak? Where's the beef? There's no meat. Chicken stir fry. Ugh. Lobster tortellini. Ugh. What are you making? Cook pancakes. We're having pancakes. I'm trying to get her to eat good foods, but no, she's eating pancakes. fine. Nobody will care. We have to travel to a public venue and meet one Sam. I don't want to. You can't make me. I vote no. Our car's broke. Got 4 flats. Can't run on 4 flats. We're not going to see people. We're going to eat our pancakes in peace and enjoy every bite. And possibly go to bed because it is 1 a.m. Then we need to finish the video and get it turned in because I'm pretty sure work is in 9 hours. Oops. Sleepy time. Look at the glitter. Look at the glitter. Turn them off. Turn them off. Who's going to clean up this mess? So let's do her morning routine. We need to go wash our face, brush our teeth, talk to ourselves, practice our acting. So I had to hype myself up before the stream. I wasn't able to talk to anyone. I had to protect my energy, as they say, just so I could sit in this chair. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but it was pretty hard. Okay, so we did our brushing our teeth, talking to ourselves. Let's go pick our outfit. Then we have 2 videos to edit, tech and flirty. So add transitions. Love that wig. Love it. Not combine videos. Let's upload it. Go to work. No, we're working from home today. Thanks. Working from home today. Thanks. Post our updates. Hype the next video. Reply to the comments. Post updates and old videos. Old videos. Struggling to speak here, I swear. Then we need to add effects. Add transitions. Bridget, are you stuck? A wipe screen transition has made the video that much more professional. My happy vlog brought in $220. The ultimate beauty trip tips you should try brought $577. And Be Inspired vlog brought $278. Man, we in the money. If only in real life. The video has been uploaded. Expect daily royalty payments for how many views it gets. Okay. So we recorded our videos. So she thinks she's going to go troll the forums, but I think that we should spend our time wisely and go study the trends, because obviously if you don't study the trends, you can't be trendy, right? We still have the flirty video. We didn't do what to. Oh, upload. Notable newcomer. Bridget has started down the path to stardom. Bridget earned her first fame point, which is hers to keep. Fame points can be used to purchase fame points within the blah, blah, blah. Hey, okay. Webmaster. Okay, so we have a good reputation, notable newcomer, and 1 fame point. I'm new here. I don't know what this is. Manage perks and keep an eye on behavioral quirks as Bridget becomes more famous. Okay. So, why is it lit up yellow? Were we late for work? What's going on here? Bridget, are you doing something you shouldn't? Let's try to negotiate a bonus. A bonus would be nice. We could buy a new camera. Yay, she got it. She got the bonus. How much? That much closer to being promoted. Sweet. So we don't have any assignments. What is our assignment? Are you working? Or are you just trolling? Career. I think she's just trolling. Let's go over here to record another video, because that's the only option, obviously. Let's do beauty products. How much work for 1 video? I don't know. She makes like $80 an hour, and we work from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. She doesn't work as much as I do for 1 video. I could have like 12 hours in 1 video, and it barely get 12 views. And then I have this 1 video. It like took forever to make, and it's finally over 1,000. So good luck, Bridget. She has a need here. What's your deal, Bridget? I said we were working from home, so maybe we won't get into trouble. She's hungry. Okay. So after you do the, makeup review, we can go downstairs and make food. Cook a gourmet meal. What are we cooking? Meat. A rack of lamb. Heck yeah. I have not used the other computer over there because I forgot to put a chair over there, so she won't actually use it, but she'll use the camera. Let's do Hazy Nightlife. What is your Sim's current job right now? I have another character that is stay-at-home mom. Is that one of my favorite streamers? Is that one of my favorite Marvelouses? I think it is. How are you doing? I have finally decided to put on my big girl pants in return. So our stardom went up already. Let's see. They liked what Bridget had to say. Bridget had a one-time cash bonus. It's closer to ever being promoted. Nice. So now Bridget needs food. And then we have to go back upstairs. I missed your face. I miss seeing you in chat. I missed all of you guys, if I'm being honest. So we have 2 videos to edit. You love the garden job? I didn't know that could be a job. I do usually make my Sims have a garden outside, and it usually goes crazy, but these I've been mainly keeping them indoors. We're cooking a rack of lamb. Yes, how is your day going today, miss? What are you up to today? What's on your agenda? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Lamb is done. Where are you going with it? Where are you going? Grab a serving. You better eat now because you got hours and hours of editing, just like in real life. I go grab my food, bring it to my desk, eat and edit. You just got off a really boring insurance mandate 2.5-hour webinar. Ew! I'm glad you made it out alive. So now what are your plans now that you completed that boring insurance mandated meeting, webinar? So we got to edit, add transition. I low-key fell asleep during it, woke up to a poll question, and I was like, oh, I should pay attention. Are you getting enough sleep? I mean, I know I've been seeing you drink a lot of coffee, so that's probably why you're not getting a lot of sleep, but I understand. Okay, after all of those, we'll edit it and finally do the uploading. You finally slept last night after not sleeping for 24 hours? Well, that'll make you sleep after not sleeping for 24 hours. I hope you get your sleep schedule worked out. Maybe you should start a downtime, like so many hours before bedtime, no screens, only meditation, read your Bible, stretch, do what you can. What is up with you, better exceptions? There's some issues with my mods. We already know that all of my mods have issues. That's why they're my mods. I'm not playing with this. Go away. No, I don't want to view the full reports. I drove her to drinking. She went to the bar. She left her computer on and went to the bar. It's still editing itself. Jeez. Okay, so we need to study the trends, adjust the lights to cool and cloudy, and record a video inspiring. You started to use the Calm Out app, and it's really helped you so far? Nice. So do you like have a system where you keep all of your stuff together, like your plans, your notes, something like Google, or do you have like a preferred thing where you keep all of your organization together? Because I just discovered a new one that I think you'd like. You seem like you would be a planner, miss. Are you a planner? Do you have notebooks? Like everywhere? Yeah, you do. You live off your planner, especially with school. Same, girl, same. So I use Notion. Have you ever heard of Notion before? Because if not, I need to hook you up. You've not heard of that? Uh-oh. Our computer just fried. I will send you my link. Notion links to calendars. It links to everything. Bro, our computer just fried. And she just walked out like she doesn't care. Now she's at the bar again, making a salty llama. You better be very inspired to come back here and repair your computer, because it is your lifeline right now. This is your only job. You got one job. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. I've lost it, including my brain. She's drinking again. I think she has a problem. Girl, I know what it's like, okay? The editing life is not for everyone. Become a 2-star celebrity. Purchase a fame perk. So we got corporate partnership. Upload the video station and music station will earn Bridget more fame than normal. Networking. Easier socialization with more famous Sims. Nah. Noticeable. Gain bonus fame from skill. There's just something about Bridget that makes her stand out from the crowd and makes other Sims take notice. I like the sound of that one. Okay, so we just purchased a fame perk, which does what? I have no idea what that did, but we did it. We did it. So we need to drink energy juice to stay awake. We should probably talk to our psychiatrist. No, our therapist. Yeah, haven't given the therapist a call today. There's a cat calling us. Bartholomew is calling us. Our cat is a therapist.
Hold up.
The cat is a therapist. So, hi, Bridget. I'm your therapist. You said you needed to talk. I'm here for you. What's on your mind? I've been feeling very anxious. I'm sorry you've been feeling that way. Have you done any self-care lately? Yes, I've been practicing self-care. That's great. Self-care is an important part of your mental health. Keep it up and you'll feel better in no time. Thank you for helping me talk through this. Choking, sorry. Okay, not hungry, but you really should put the food away. Put it in the fridge. We're not wasteful. I don't like how she just stands there. Like, I don't know what to do. I forgot what I was doing. Kind of like I do, you know? You're here. You woke up late, so you gotta go shower. Go shower. I can smell you from here.
Hold up.
We're gonna paint. I appreciate you for being here, sir. It is summertime. What are you doing? It is 4 a.m. Why are you not sleeping? If we're not editing, we're sleeping. That's the way it goes. Wig. The following is now trending. Dancing, travel, fishing, and an angry vlog. I could do an angry vlog. I've never done a dancing one. I didn't even know that was an option. Maybe we're not at a high enough level. So we work in 5 hours. Okay, she's going to continue doing this video. So the royalty report is 365 simoleons for the happy. The ultimate beauty tips was 444. Be inspired was 245. Girl, get it. Add effects. Add transitions. Post the updates. Reply to comments. Hype the next video. Promote old videos. And then maybe go to bed. The video was successfully edited. Can't be edited anymore. Daily royalty payments. Okay, wipe transition was now added. Okay, we have a drone over here too. So we need to record neighborhood footage. Begin a stream. Let's do a stream. What are we streaming? Or is it just following you around your house? She's gained 125 followers. She now has 512 followers. You have more than me! Yikes, I'm jealous. I am jealous. I don't know what we're streaming, but we're streaming something. So, drink our energy juice, perform a scene for tips. Let's do dramatic. Oh, she's getting angry. We need an angry vlog. Show me your angry eyes. There's still money falling over here. Turn it off. Oh, let's follow it. This thing is so cute. All right. Bridget is supposed to be recording, but I think she's painting. It's The Simpsons. How are you doing, sir? So we need to sell this to a collector for 847 simoleons and some fame. Because who wouldn't want a painting painted by us? Vanessa is not a friend. I don't know why. Probably because we're female and we got issues with other females. I don't know why. But they all hate her. Travel video. Okay, so we did a travel video. So how many do you have to edit now? Video inventory. This is the one that needs uploaded. So do you have to get it off that machine or what? I'm not sure. Okay. So the videos have been uploaded. Expect the royalty payments from it. Record a video. Pumped up vlog. We haven't done a pumped up one. Stream edition of The Sims. Yeah, it's the podcast. Thank you, King Rain. I appreciate you, sir. I appreciate you, sir. My waters is now rising. How have you been doing? Taking care of yourself, sir? Oh, you know, working like crazy and being a family man. Yep. Yep. Sounds like my husband. Work, 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 and then family. You guys are good at it, and we appreciate you. I thought there was a different machine that you had to buy. But apparently not. More choices. Let's do sparkles. Sparkles. Throw the confetti. Professor is back.
Hold up.
I'm glad you're back. Are we watching a streamer watching a stream? Yes, sir. Yes, we are. She is on her way to becoming famous. She has more followers than I do. She now has 762 followers. And here I do not. She makes me compare myself. Oh, I don't know what the word is. She makes me feel this week. Okay, study trends. The only way you're going to get better is to continue. So let's... Where'd the drone go? Where did the drone go? Did it come back into the house? Sorry you had a call? No worries, dude. Look, the drone came back. Began recording Bella Goth. What? Something just exploded outside. Ah, shit, it called!
Hold up.
Oh, sell it! Burn it! Stupid clown. You done lost your damn mind. Go sell that shit. Why did she bait that? It's like she's playing on my fear, man. It's playing on my fears. I got time for this shit. I got 10 minutes. Sell this masterpiece to a gallery. I'd say set it in the street. Let me run it over with my truck and then set it on fire. Alrighty. Our streamer made it to almost a level 2 in the Hall of Fame. Though we did make an enemy. And it, oddly enough, was another female. Wouldn't know what that was like. Okie dokie. So I made it back finally. I'm proud of myself. Oh no. What was that? I do make random noises. You can make it. I can make my own. This one right here. I did actually make. It's my daughter. She makes that noise when you scare her. Oh, mommy, no. That's me too. Bad mommy. Hold on, I have more. Let's see. Pumpkin made me some too. I have.
We are family. You're just that weird uncle that no one talks to. I've got channel points for days. Dance, monkey, dance! You have no power here. Be gone, Mud! I am not afraid to die. I'm afraid to live with your bullshit.
Can't copyright me. Can't copyright me. I have a few others I haven't loaded yet. Like, she made me one that says I like Sims over humans, or I prefer Sims over people because I can control them. It's very true. Thank you guys for showing up today. I was actually really afraid that no one would actually show up. Would you rather wear shoes made of spaghetti or a hat made of broccoli? A chain made of garlic to keep the vampires away? It wasn't even an option. You can't make up your own stuff, bro. Can't do it. It's not allowed. Come at me. You can and you did. You want the right or the left? Which one you want? Which one you want? Oh, mommy, no. Bad mommy. Thank you, King Wang, for the 1-month subscription. I appreciate you, sir. I never knew you'd be playing as yourself, the streamer in this game. Thank you, Firo, for the 6 months at tier 1. You've been subscribed for 41 months. Dang, man. You're like the longest one ever. So, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for showing up for me. I don't have another one scheduled, but maybe I'll schedule another one Wednesday. I'm going to go stretch and take care of myself, and I hope you do too. So, goodbye.